Now, yesterday, we were taking a look at what are the effects of electric current. We saw what is the heating effect of electric current, and then I taught electroplating, which is the chemical effect. Okay, the chemical effect of electric current. We also saw how a bulb lights up, and we also saw about fuse and its uses. Okay, now magnetic effect of electric current. It is an activity to create the magnetic effect of electric current. Take an iron nail of about 6 to 8 centimeter and cover it up with a flexible wire of 75 centimeter. Join them with a battery of 4 cells. Keep some all pins nearby to the tip of tail. Does the iron nail attract all the pins? Okay, so it will attract all the pins because it has now magnetic properties. Okay, it now has magnetic properties, or it starts to show magnetic effects. Okay, because the electric current passes through the spiral wires. Okay, and it creates a magnetic field around the nail. Okay, how does the nail convert to magnet? Electric current passes through the spiral wire, which puts magnetic effect on nail. Due to this, the nail starts showing magnetic properties. With the help of these magnetic properties, electronic magnets are prepared. Okay, electronic magnets are prepared in this way. These are used in electronic bells, pulling iron out of garbage by crane, toys, and some tests on humans by doctors. Okay, some tests by doctors on humans. When we want to pull iron out of garbage, then we use it in some toys and electronic bells. Okay, we convert iron into electromagnet and use them. Okay, now 14.5 meter. Some questions were left here in the terminal exercise. Which tools are used as an effect of heating effect of electric current? Emma?
Which question?
Fourth question, Emma.
Which tools are used as an effect of heating effect of electric current? Um, Electric iron.
Iron, yes. What else?
Also like kettles, toasters, ovens, microwaves.
Yes, Emma. Yes, that is right. Good. Okay, now, next question. What are the uses of fuse in electric current? Yesterday I taught you about fuse. What is the use of the fuse in electric current?
Um, it's used to uh protect humans from electric shocks.
It is used to protect from electric shocks, not humans directly, but our electrical appliances
Okay.
from failing.
Also, I
Or
think prevents fire hazards.
It prevents fire hazards, yes. Okay.
Mm.
Mainly, it prevents the heavy flow of electricity from flowing in our houses so that short circuit doesn't happen. Okay. Or so that load is not there on our appliances and it cuts off the supply so that our appliances don't fuse, they don't blow off. Okay, that is the main use of fuse. Now, write four examples of electroplating from your environment. Do you know some things that are electroplated?
Ma'am,
Yes, Emma.
jewelry,
Jewelry,
coins,
Jew-
and like utensils.
kitchen utensils, yes. Okay, kitchen utensils are there. Okay. Then taps are there. Taps are electroplated. Okay. Then we have some car parts. Okay, jewelry is there. Then food cans also. Kitchen stove. Okay. Kitchen utensils. All of these things are examples of electroplating around us. Hello, Ibrahim. Good morning. Next question. Why are CFL or LED bulbs used in place of simple electric bulbs? Why do we use CFL or LED instead of simple electric bulbs? You are muted, Emma.
Yes, ma'am, I was like reading the question a bit. It has a longer life. It's more cost effective, more environment friendly, and um, yeah, I think that's what I remember.
Okay.
And it reduces less heat.
Reduces
It has less heat production.
less heat production. Okay. The major reason is that it saves more energy. Okay. It saves more energy, it saves more electricity. The use of
Yeah.
CFL or LED bulbs, they save more energy. Okay. That is why they are used more and in comparison to simple electric big bulbs. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Abraham, can you hear? Why rubber gloves are used in hands while working on electricity? Yes, Emma. Why are rubber gloves used in hands while working on electricity?
Why are rubber gloves used in hands while working on electricity?
Yes.
Okay. Um, Ma'am, it prevents from electric shocks.
Yes, it prevents from electric shock. Why?
Ma'am, it because the rubber gloves protect workers from dangerous shocks that could be fatal by blocking the path of the current. I think.
By blocking the path of current. Yes. Yes. Okay. We
Um, and
have
then
insulators.
rubber is also an insulator. Rubber does not let electric currents pass through it, and
Yes.
so even if you like touch a wire or something, you won't get burnt.
Yes, that is right.
Shock.
My last question. What are the uses of a compass?
What is the use of a compass? Ma'am, compasses are used for like the location, right?
Yes, to find the
It's
direction.
yeah.
Okay. What else?
Ma'am,
They are also used in ships, in
yes, ma'am. They
planes.
use in ships, planes, because out there like there's no Wi-Fi, so
Yes. Okay, so those are the uses of a compass. Now, I want you to do the eighth question right now. Okay, do the eighth question right now. Take your notebooks. Prepare an electric circuit of a battery of two cells, a bulb and a switch. Okay,
ma'am, what do you want us to know?
I want
Hello,
your.
ma'am.
Hello, Abraham.
I'm sorry, I'm late. Ma'am, my internet was troubling me.
Okay. So I want you all to make an electric circuit. This is an electric circuit diagram. Okay, with two
Ma'am,
batteries, a bulb and a switch.
ma'am, draw the diagram or just or make it in real life.
Draw the diagram. Just draw the diagram right now. Okay. Okay, did I announce the chapters for the maths quiz?
No, mama. Think so.
What were the chapters?
Um, I said no, ma'am. I don't remember. I said,
Okay.
you want us to prepare a diagram, an electric circuit of a battery of two cells, a bulb and a switch.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, do we have to send it to you?
You can prepare right now and show it to me. Okay.
Ma'am?
Ma'am,
Yes, Abraham.
ma'am, I will be sending you my math test, ma'am. I finished it yesterday, ma'am, but I was not able to send it.
Okay. Both of you all send it to me today. Okay. Emma and Abraham,
Yes, ma'am.
send it to me today itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Abraham.
so ma'am, the NIOS, ma'am, that I'm doing, ma'am,
Oh, can you? Can you repeat, Abraham?
When the NIOS I'm doing for the level C test, in their
Mhm.
math they're given Q and root. For some of the sums, I'm using the Shutra you taught us.
Oh, okay. You are using the
Shutra.
sutra. Um, okay. But Abraham, I suggest you do not use the sutra and do try to do them by prime factorization.
No, some I'm doing by prime factorization. There's some easy ones I'm doing by Shutra.
Okay. Ask your mama once, Abraham. Okay. Because
Hmm.
sutra is are not in your syllabus for this exam. For this exam, you're not having the sutra thing in your syllabus. So is that okay if you are using that? Okay. That is something I taught you all taught you last year, but it's not there in the paper. It's not there in the syllabus. So just confirm if you can use it actually. Okay. Don't want you to lose marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mm. So did you like start doing the maths and science papers, math, science, English?
Yes, ma'am. I started doing not the papers, ma'am. I'm still revising on in math and somewhere on the second and third chapter. Only four chapters are there. Science, I'm on the second and third chapter. And English, my full portion is complete.
English course is complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get approval for the test papers?
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
Not sure. Okay. If there is any difficulty, Abraham, ask, okay? In science or math.
Done drawing.
Done drawing. Okay, one second. Hmm. Bring it a little more closer, Abraham. Okay, I can see the battery. I can see the switch. Show the switch. Okay, bulb is there. Is it an open circuit or a closed one, Abraham?
Ma'am, it's a closed one because it's not touching.
It's not touching because when it's not touching, Abraham, it is known
It,
as
it, it's
open.
a, it, it's a closed circuit, ma'am. It's touching, ma'am.
It's touching. Okay. So it is a closed circuit. Then with your bulb, Abraham, you can do like this. Means that in a closed circuit, the bulb will light up. So you can show light like this. Okay. You can
Okay.
show light or you can color it yellow or you can color it yellow, the bulb, so that it will be shown that it is light up. It has light up. Also, when you're making the battery, what you can do is you can also make the terminals, okay? You can also make the terminals, make positive one side, small plus and a small minus. Okay, you can show the positive and negative terminals. Then in your circuit, what else you can do? You can show the traveling of the current if it is an open circuit. Sorry, if it is a closed circuit. Okay, like this. Okay. So the arrows are showing the direction means the current is traveling here from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay. Okay, Emma, is your circuit ready?
Just like give me just like 10 seconds, ma'am. I'm just drawing my.
Ma'am, isn't this, you forgot something? Ma'am, you forgot
Yes, Abraham.
something. Ma'am, like in my circuit, there
No,
has
I
to be
didn't.
a line from one of the straight lines. To show a battery, you have to have a line or not a like a one that comes in line with the wire. When your
Okay.
battery,
Yeah, I
Ma'am,
didn't
that
draw it exactly. Okay, because
ma'am,
okay, I didn't draw exactly like that. Okay, but I just want to show you the terminal thing. So
is
it's
that
not a
blue?
fair thing. Okay, it is
Can
blur,
you
Emma. You cannot see. Turn off the filter if you're having. It's
I
very
have
blur.
1 second, ma'am.
Hmm.
See? Wait. Ma'am, can I send her an
Okay,
image?
bulb is there. Move. Okay, send an
Ma'am,
image, Emma. Yes, Emma, you can send an image. You can. Okay, I can see Emma. One more thing, Emma. I prefer or usually what is preferred for drawing and electric is the symbol. Otherwise, it looks good. but the cells, instead of making pieces, you can use it. You can use the battery symbol. Okay, you can use the battery symbol. And okay, and the or we usually use symbols for the things when we are drawing an electric circuit. Okay, Emma?
Yes,
Otherwise,
ma'am.
it's yeah. Now, yes. Now, science, we finished the what test was there last in science?
That
Materials, chapter 7. Chapter 7, material chapter. Types of materials too. Now, chapter 8 test this Friday. This Friday is very early. Next week, Tuesday, shall I give?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am keep electricity. This Friday is very has a very little time for us to prepare.
Next week, Tuesday, then I'm going to keep your science test of chapter 8. And next week, Thursday, or next week, Friday, we can do maths test of chapter 7. I think chapter 7, I can do half half.
Ma'am,
Okay. Hello, Abraham, say again. I cannot hear your voice.
ma'am, you have to keep next week is supposed to be math activity.
Next week, math activity is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so next to next week, I'll keep the maths test.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Activity, I'll put it in the group today. Okay.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
topics are there? Now, okay, so science test chapter 8 next week, Tuesday. Next week, Friday, maths activity or a quiz on Friday next week. Okay, Friday next week. Then that's all. Okay. That's all for next week. This week we don't have anything. Today is Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday. We'll try to finish the chapter 7 and then start a new lesson in maths. Okay. Okay. Did you all do the homework? Did you all do the homework in maths?
Ma'am, what homework?
Ma'am, I'll just send it to you.
Okay. Till exercise 8.6, I think I mentioned in the group. Till exercise 8.6, you have to complete. Okay.
Yeah.
So please do it. Please do it and send me. Please do the homework and send me because you don't have any tests this week. So I need the complete homework, both of you. Yeah, please do it and send me. 5 minutes break for y'all, and then we'll start with math class.
Okay.
Okay, let's begin. Hi Joshua, good morning.
I mean, good morning, ma'am.
Hello. Okay, Abraham Emma, hope you all are there.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now today we will start the topic of discount. Okay, this is the topic of discount. Now, when we go to buy some things, we sometimes notice that there is a reduction in its price. Okay. And labels mention 20% off, 10% off, 5% off. Okay. That is known as a discount. Okay. Basically a reduction in price of something. Okay. Reduction, reduction in price of something. Okay. Like it's mentioned, right? That 20% off, 30% off, 10% off, or flat rupees 125 off. Okay, flat rupees 125 off. So it's mentioned like that. Now, why is discount given? There are two reasons. Why is discount given? There are two reasons. The first one is to increase sales. Increase sales. Okay. Suppose some product that the product is a little expensive. So they give a certain amount off. They say 20% off. So then people will buy it. People, when we think this is a psychology of humans, okay, that when they think something is coming at a lower price or when they think that something has a discount, they will be attracted to buy that thing. Okay. We are more attracted to buy things when they are coming at a lesser price. Okay. So that is why to increase the sales or to sell more items or to sell more, we give discount. Okay, that is one reason. What is the second reason? Second reason is to clear stock. To clear the stock. Okay, to clear the stock. Suppose what happens? Um, a company made vanilla biscuits. Okay, a company made vanilla biscuits. Okay. And after that, they shifted to the next flavor that they made were cookie and cream. Okay, cookie and cream biscuits. So what happened is all the people started buying cookie and cream only. Okay, and this vanilla biscuits nobody was buying. Okay, vanilla biscuits nobody was buying, and everybody was buying cookie and cream because people loved this new flavor. All of them were buying cookie and cream biscuits. But company has so many vanilla biscuits. What will they do with it? If they do not sell it, okay, then it will get spoiled. If they do not sell the vanilla biscuit, it will get spoiled. So what the company does is this vanilla biscuits were for rupees 20 before. Okay. They were rupees 20 before. What the company did, they reduced its price to rupees 15 and cookie and cream was rupees 25. Okay. And vanilla, because people were not buying vanilla biscuit, they reduced the price to 15 rupees. Okay. Say we are giving you 5% discount on vanilla. Now what will
Ma'am,
do? People will buy vanilla biscuit.
ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
the
Yashu.
vanilla biscuits was 20 rupees first,
Yes.
and the cookie was 25.
Yes. Cookie cream, because it is a new flavor, it was a little expensive. It was 25 rupees. Okay.
But
But
white
people loved the new flavor. Say again.
no, but then
People loved the new.
vanilla biscuits
Yes. But
was
then,
vanilla biscuits was less expensive.
yes, they were already less expensive. Okay. But because cookie and cream was a new flavor, okay, and people wanted to try this new flavor. See, okay, let's say the cookie and cream was also 20. Cookie and cream was also 20. Okay. So people were buying cookie and cream only because it was a new flavor and people were loving it. Vanilla was not being sold. So company had a lot of vanilla biscuits, but they were not selling. Okay. But they need to sell it, otherwise it will get spoiled. So they reduced the price to 20, 15 rupees and then they were able to sell it. This is known as clear the stock or stock clearance. Then you are unable to sell something because it is old now. One second, Abraham. And you're trying to sell something because it is old now or because some new trend comes. Similarly, see, happens in clothes also. Fashion, okay, in clothes. Some trend is coming, some cloth is selling very good. Okay. Then its trend is gone, another new trend comes. So what about that previous trend? What about those clothes of that previous trend? People will not buy. So what the company does is they place a discount, say they 20% or 30% off. So when discount is there, then people buy it. That is known as to clear the stock, discount is placed. Two reasons: to increase the sale or to sell more and to clear the stock. These are the reasons why discount is given. Yes, Abraham. You can ask now, Abraham.
Ma'am, shouldn't you, in the vanilla biscuits, ma'am, shouldn't the cookies and creams already be in a higher cost? And because the company, what did you say, control the making of the biscuits? Couldn't you release vanilla, let vanilla get over, and then only release the new biscuit cookie?
Then vanilla gets over, then only release the new biscuit cookie.
And anybody
Yes,
who
they
likes
can do.
vanilla could say on demand, they could say, I want 100 vanilla biscuits, and they would get it.
Mhm. It is, they can do it, Abraham. Okay, they can do it, Abraham. But this is like done very strategically. Like you have to plan a lot. You have to analyze in the market that what is the demand of vanilla. Okay, what is the demand of vanilla? But this time, in the example that I gave, the company had vanilla and then besides that, they also made cookie and cream to see how cookie and cream is doing. Okay, will do like they added a new flavor. Okay, when they were not over with vanilla, but still they added a new flavor, and then people shifted to cookie and cream. Okay, this is what happened in this example. They can control the manufacturing. Okay, they can control the manufacturing in biscuits, but in clothes, this happens a lot. Discount. Discount thing happens a lot in clothes to clear stock because clothes, new things keep coming every month or every 15 days or every month the trend changes. People go after something that comes new. So what stock that is manufactured becomes old. This happens all the time in clothing industry. Okay. But other things, its discount is mainly given to increase the sales. or to sell more of their items. Okay. If I want to sell more cookie cream, okay, if I want to sell more cookie and cream, I will reduce the price of cookie and cream. Then my cookie and cream sales will be very higher. Why? Because I'm giving a discount to increase the sales. So both the reasons discount is given to increase the sales and to clear the stock. Understood the concept of discount? Okay. Now take a look at one more thing. Vanilla biscuits cost was vanilla biscuits cost was how much? 20 rupees before. Now this 20 rupees is known as market price. In the concept of discount, this 20 rupees is known as market price. I am selling it at 15 rupees. 15 rupees. This 15 rupees is known as selling price. 15 rupees is my selling price. And this 5 rupee, this 5 rupee remaining, this 5 rupee difference is my discount. This 5 rupees is my discount. That gives us the discount formula. That gives us the discount formula. Market price minus selling price equals to discount. Okay, write this down now. The price which was there originally, which is the original price of the product, is called the market price. Okay, or the original cost, the original price here is the market price. The price which you are selling it at after reduction, after reducing the price at which you're selling, that is your selling price. Okay. Then the difference, that is the amount that is reduced, total amount, that is known as the discount. Okay.
Ma'am,
Discount
isn't
is the
that
difference between your market price and selling price. Yes, Abraham, we'll try a few questions, okay? First write this all down and then we'll do questions.
okay, ma'am? And another question is, ma'am, is like this thing, this discount thing normally happening with perennial stuff, meaning like things that won't get over or get rot or something.
Yes,
There's
Abraham.
sometimes you may find it on chip packets or something, but most of the things like in IKEA it comes end of summer sale and so and so
Mhm.
on.
End of summer sale is stock clearance, means basically.
Hmm.
Okay. End of summer sale is basically stock clearance, whereas you have the sales like Great Indian Festival or sales that are there on occasions and all that to sell more. Okay. To sell more. That is why like people buy things when there is occasion. Like Diwali, they'll buy car. Okay. Any festival is coming, they'll buy things. Why? Because on festivals, they give special discount to attract the customer to buy more. Okay. It is a strategy of attracting the customers to buy more. Okay, written?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Oh, okay. Abraham and Imal written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abraham written? Okay, I'm clearing the screen now. Now we'll do some questions on this concept. Okay, we'll do some questions on this concept. Yeah. See, if we are having the market price of a blanket, market price of a blanket rupees 1200. Okay, it is said that the businessman is giving 15% discount. Discount is 15%. 15%. Okay, you have to calculate how much the customer will pay. Okay, how much customer will pay. Customer will pay. Now, how much customer will pay is the selling price. Is the selling price. Okay. How do you calculate that? First, we will calculate the discount cost or the discount in the terms of money. Okay. So discount, to calculate discount, I have discount percentage converted to discount in amount. So calculate discount. Count equals to discount is 15%. So 15 upon 100 multiplied by 1200. Cancel. 180. Okay, 180. Now we will calculate the selling price. Okay, selling price equals to market price minus discount. Market price is how much? 1200 minus discount is how much? 180. Subtract, we will get 1020 rupees. So this is my selling price. This is the customer will pay 1020 rupees. Okay. If the blanket original price is 1200, he is getting a discount of 15%. After 15% discount, he only has to pay 1020 rupees for the blanket. Understood the question? Okay. Write this down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes the customers even give their give the shopkeepers also give the customers their comparison. Like when if you're shopping online, sometimes you may see that like when my mother asked me to get something online because her hands are busy, I sometimes see that the product you're shopping for will always say that like on some platforms it says that this is this is more expensive than this. It will show you a price, and even in DMart or something will show you a price, They'll cancel the price or and then show you a new price.
Mhm. Yes, Abraham, that is also a strategy to attract customers. Okay, that is also a strategy to attract the customer. Have you all written this one?
Okay. Now,
Okay,
shouldn't you also
let's
do
try.
15 minus 100 upon 15 upon 100 into 1200? You would get our answer straight.
Okay, yes.
Done, ma'am.
Oh, now one more question. The market price of shoes. Market price, same thing. Okay. We have the market price and we have the selling price. Okay. The original price of the shoes was 1150. Okay. And it is sold for 950 in sale. That is my selling price. What I have to do is I have to find out the discount percent. Okay. Or what percent is the discount given at? Now, Joshua, what is the discount? Don't tell me the discount percent. I'm only asking the discount. What is the total discount in amount? Yes, Joshua. Calculate and tell me what will be
200,
the
ma'am.
total. Here again,
200.
200. Correct, Joshua. Okay, correct. Total discount is market price minus selling price, which is 200 equals to market price minus selling. Market price is how much? 1150 minus 950. We have 200, which is my discount. Now we will calculate the discount percentage. Okay, discount percent. Discount percent. To calculate that, we will do discount price upon the market price. Discount divided by market price multiplied by 100. Discount is how much? 200. Market price 1150 multiplied by 100. Solve this and tell me what will be the discount percent. Solve this and tell me the discount percent.
Ma'am, is it like 17.39%?
Yes, Emma, that is correct. You can make it 17.4% and put approx. Like when you're rounding it off, you can round off and put approx. You're done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. No?
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it 17.39?
17.39. Yes.
Ma'am, I think I'm
Yes,
also
Abraham.
0.39.
Okay, Abraham. It is correct. Okay. Now, one more question we will see. Okay. One more question we will see. What price and okay. Okay, try this out, y'all. Try this out. The fan is sold at 1,500 rupees with a discount of 15%. Calculate the selling price of the fan and tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes, Reshma.
it says a fan with a what price? What is that, ma'am?
Marked price or market price
Thank
restaurant.
When is the answer 1,700?
Yes, Abraham, correct. Please put rupee. Please put rupee in the answer. Yeah, writing on the answer. Please put rupee symbol.
Pardon, ma'am. Your voice is breaking for me, ma'am.
Okay. Joshua was telling that when you're writing down the answer, please put this rupee symbol before it. Okay? Because in the main exam, you lose marks if you're
Yes,
not
ma'am.
putting the symbol. Okay.
Everyone.
So with this, we have finished with this chapter. With this, we have finished with this chapter. Your
Ma'am,
homework is, yes,
can I just copy this down?
exercise. Yes, copy this down. Today's homework is exercise 8.7.
Done, ma'am.
All of you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Well,
Okay
ma'am.
then. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day and see you all tomorrow. Bye.
Ma'am,
Goodbye.
thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye, Abraham. Bye, Emma.